Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior of a 2026 McLaren Motorhome, modular and aerodynamic design, to facilitate speedy installation and disassembly at the racetrack. The 2026 Motorhome will continue to feature a modular design, integrated LED lighting, in addition to providing illumination. Sophisticated LED lighting will be incorporated into the design to emphasize specific elements and create ambience, lightweight but robust structure to reduce weight, facilitate transportation, and optimize energy efficiency. Lightweight yet extremely rigid composite materials will be used. Interior design and layout: premium guest lounge, a cozy area with coffee tables, soft couches, and a big screen TV that broadcasts live racing coverage or commentary. Fully equipped kitchen, a commercial kitchen with skilled chefs on staff that can produce excellent meals for the team and visitors. Maximum comfort and privacy. For the racers, this is the most significant and private space. There will be a private bathroom, a dressing room, and cozy beds. Unique features and technologies: advanced connectivity. No matter where you are, you can communicate easily thanks to backup satellite connections and lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 networks. Advanced air filtration systems for the best possible air quality, adjustable smart lighting, and automatic climate control. Heating and cooling are examples of smart environmental management systems. Energy efficiency: advanced battery energy storage systems, the utilization of energy-efficient equipment, and rooftop integrated solar panels where weight and design allow will be standard. Advanced security systems, alarm systems, surveillance cameras, and biometric access control to safeguard tools and private team data. Integrated audio-visual, top-notch sound systems installed throughout the RV, big screen TVs in strategic locations, and maybe interactive transparent panels for information presentation. Ergonomic equipment, tables and chairs with ergonomic designs to improve the comfort.